Assalamu alaikum. Let's look at the next question, that how do you explain that Isa alayhi salam was lifted up in the heavens alive? Well, to the Muslims, at least to the Muslims, it is not something that is very shocking, because Muslims believe that Adam alayhi salam came from Jannah all the way to this dunya, this world. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is capable of doing all, inna Allah ala kulli shayin qadir, who sent Adam alayhi salam from Jannah all the way to the earth, in a similar fashion took Isa alayhi salam from earth all the way to the heavens. And Quran very clearly says that وَمَا قَتَلُوهُ وَمَا صَلَبُوهُ, neither they killed Jesus nor they crucified him, بَلْ رَفَعَهُ اللَّهُ, rather Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala lifted him up in the heavens alive, only for him to return back and complete his lifespan in the end of times, when he will come to get rid of the Dajjal, who is also called Antichrist. So Isa alayhi salam went up in the heavens, Adam alayhi salam came down from the heavens, and Isa alayhi salam will come down from the heavens like Adam alayhi salam did. And we have some description of that in the books of hadith, he descending down with angels. And the other thing to keep in mind is that Muslims also know that the Prophet ﷺ was taken up in the heavens for Mi'raj with his body and soul, and he did the journey of all 7 heavens and many other signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and came back the same night. And no time has passed. So Isa alayhi salam going up in the heavens and coming back, no big deal. And we also learn in the Quran that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created pathways in Surah Al-Ma'arij through which angels ascend and descend. So what exactly are the pathways? A doorway that opens from one end and it closes on the other. And when you have entered through those doorways, you exit on the other side without any problem. This is exactly what you call, in modern terms, a portal. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had created several portals of this nature that allows angels to go back and forth, ascend and descend, exactly the same way Adam alayhi salam descended down from the heavens, Isa alayhi salam ascended up, and Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam used these portals to not only ascend up but also to descend down. So the idea is not new or shocking to at least Muslims, because they have multiple examples of this nature. And also, according to some mufassirun, some people of tafsir, Idris alayhi salam, Enoch, also ascended up, and his soul was taken away in the heavens. His soul was not taken away on the earth. وَرَفَعْنَاهُ مَكَانًا عَلِيًّا is the ayah of the Quran whose tafsir is presented that way as well. So there are multiple occasions in which we have several examples of ascension and descension, both ways. So I hope that answers the question. Assalamu alaikum.